our oil water separator. First off, the overall dimensions. After removing the top cover, the measurements will include 9 7/8 in length, 13 3/4 inches in depth by 11 1/4 inches tall. Coming to the front, we have the radius of 3 inches, along with the back also measuring 3 inches. This opening is to install the main connecting pipe. So by removing the main interceptor, this is where the main pipe connector can be inserted. Additional interceptors can be removed, with the interior depth measuring 12 inches. Also included will be the basket, along with a pair of work gloves. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.